Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Henry Fielding, Use of and Views, and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic, very important character in Use of and Views is Lady Booby. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. and वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माय वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड. गाइस, इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपके लिए एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट. आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर भी डीएम कर सकते हैं और कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछना हो तो आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर डीएम करके पूछ सकते हैं. Now I'm gonna start the topic Zenny Study Instruments Literature in Pakistan. Striking characteristics of Lady Booby in Yusuf Andrews. Character analysis. Lady Booby in Yusuf Andrews. Lady Booby is a dissolute and lecherous woman. She is highly attracted towards the handsomeness and youthful appearance of Yusuf and takes him as her footman. She is a sex-perturbed lady. After her husband's death, she wants to seduce Yusuf Andrews and wants to have a bliss in the bed. On the 7th day of her husband's death, she ordered Yusuf to bring her tea in bed. When he had brought tea, she made him sit down and, having accidentally laid her hand on him, asked him sex-arousing question. Then she raised herself a little in her bed and revealed a very white neck, making Yusuf blush. She hinted at her voluntary submission to Yusuf if he made physical advances, but Yusuf refused to oblige her. Thereupon she planned to dismiss him. On another occasion she implied him to kiss her, but all in vain. Infuriated at his behavior of Yusuf, she asked him to take wages and pack up. Thus, by nature, she is lecherously sexy. Even afterwards, she tries to stop Yusuf's marriage with Fanny. Her other characteristics. She does not harm anyone purposely. She tries to harm only those who are obstacles in her attainments. She does not want to take revenge unnecessarily. Even in the case of Yusuf, she wants to bring him round to satisfy her appetite. She may be immortal, but she is not weak. However, she is hypocrite, she is victim of affection, she is status conscious, she has the ego of an aristocrat. Guys, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माय वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. प्लीज शेयर माय वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज.